Who can tell me another verb tense that they know? We have present tense. Who knows another one? Chimai, tell me one.
Past.
Past tense. Very good. Who has another one? Mingcho, tell me another one.
Future tense.
Future tense. Okay. So when we talk about past tense, Jon Snow, what do I mean when I say past tense? When are we talking about? Is it something happening now? Something that has already happened, or something that has not happened yet? Something that already happened. Okay, very good. What about present tense? Richard, when I say present tense, when am I talking about?
You are talking now.
Something that is happening now. And when we talk about future tense, Minnie, what do I mean when I say future tense?
It's will happen.
It will happen. Okay, something that has not happened yet, but it will happen. Okay, so let's look at our sentence. Let's look at this sentence on the screen now. Jim ate a sandwich for lunch today. So who can tell me? And actually, let's put it in the. I'm going to enable the annotation. I want you all to circle the verb in this sentence. Circle the verb. What are these names? Okay, Lily, can you tell me the verb in this sentence?
Ate.
Very good. And Lingqi, what tense is the verb ate in?
It is past tense.
It is past tense. Very good. Got easy, right? All right, let's look at another sentence. He loves ham and cheese sandwiches. So let's go ahead and circle the verb in this sentence. Okay, so our verb is loves. Feng Tao, what tense is loves?
It is present tense.
It is present tense. Okay, very good. Last sentence. He will pack himself a sandwich for lunch tomorrow too. So let's go ahead and circle the verb in the sentence. Okay, let's make sure we are circling the entire verb. So check carefully. So the verb in this sentence is what? Pizza, what is the verb in this sentence?
Will pack.
Will pack. Okay, and Dino, what tense is will pack?
Future tense.
Future tense. Okay, very good. When did you guys get so smart? I think you also learned about the past participle, correct? So the past tense of a regular verb is formed by adding ed to its present tense form. Okay, so that's easy. So that is called the past participle. So in this sentence, the students played football during their break. So who is this? Boo? Boo, what is our past participle in this sentence?
Played.
Played. Okay, so our normal or regular verbs, we know we just add ed to form the past participle. Okay, so the past participle is also often used with a helping verb, such as has, have, or had. Okay. Let's look at our sentence. They have played football for 30 minutes. So, Ciro, what is our past participle here?
Have played.
Well, the past participle is played, and our helping verb is
Have.
have. Okay, good job. Played, and our helping verb is have. So let's look at, we're going to look at a sentence, and the sentence is incorrect. So what I want everyone to do is open up your chat, and you are going to write the sentence correctly in the chat. Do we all know how to do that? Yes? I see Dino nodding his head. Jon Snow gives me a thumbs up. Okay. All right, so I buy a ticket and went inside. So let's type the sentence correctly in the chat. So how can we write this sentence correctly? Okay, so who can tell me what is wrong with this sentence as it is on the screen right now? Okay, so we have our two verbs in this sentence here. So we have our first verb is buy. Jon Snow, what tense is the verb by? Present tense, okay? And then our other verb we have is went. What tense is that one, Lingqi?
It is past tense.
Past tense. Okay, do we want a sentence that has a verb in present tense and in past tense? Can we be talking about something that is happening now and already happened? No, we cannot. We need both of our verbs to be friends, right? So they need to have the same tense. So one example is I bought a ticket and went inside. So now both of our verbs are in the same tense. And I saw someone, I think P, also wrote to me. She said, I buy a ticket and go inside. Is this correct? Yes or no? Can that be correct? Yes, Wang Tao says yes. Okay, but she changed, P changed go, went to go. So now both of our verbs, buy and go, are in what tense? What tense, Chimai? Buy and go. What tense is what? Present tense. So if
Present.
both, yes, if both are in present tense, is the sentence correct? Yes, thank you. Very good. Okay. All right, let's do another one. Okay. The cinema having many good movies out right now. Let's go ahead and type this sentence correctly in the chat. Okay, so let's see what we have. So let's look at what's wrong with this sentence. We know that the verb having is incorrect. Okay, so let's see, I have a couple different answers. Whoops. I'm gonna type out some answers that people have given me. So we have the cinema is having many good movies out right now. So what do we think about this sentence? Is this correct? The cinema is having many good movies out right now. Does this sound very good? No? Let's see. Jon Snow says yes. Pizza says no. What do you think, Boo? Does this sound good? The cinema is having many good movies out right now.
I think no.
You think no? Okay. Let's see. What else do we have here? Someone says no change. I think we definitely need to change this sentence. Someone else says the cinema had many good movies out right now. Okay. What is wrong with this one? When are we talking about? The key word in this sentence is right now. So what is wrong with this sentence here? Say, Jon Snow, what is wrong with this sentence? The cinema had many good movies out right now. Do you see something wrong?
Movies.
Movies. What's wrong with movies? When are we talking about? Am I talking about yesterday, today, or tomorrow?
Yesterday.
Really? Look at the read the sentence out loud to me, please.
The cinema had many good movies out right now.
When am I talking about?
Present tense.
Yes, right now, right? I'm talking about present tense, right now. So if we have the cinema had, is that the correct tense? Is that for right now?
No.
No. What is a better word to choose?
Having.
Huh?
Having.
Not having. That's what's wrong with the first sentence. Okay, pizza. Where's pizza? Tell me your sentence. What did you write on the chat?
The cinema has many good movies out right now.
Okay. So pizza wrote, the cinema has many good movies out right now. Okay. So how many cinemas are we talking about? Everyone show me with your fingers. How many cinemas? We're talking about one cinema. Okay. So when we're talking about one, when our subject is singular, we use the helping verb has. Okay. I saw some people type out something like this. The cinema have many good movies out right now. Okay, what's wrong with this sentence? Who can tell me? Hen, what's wrong with this sentence?
Have need to be has because cinema is just one.
Very good. If we're talking about many cinemas, if we have a plural subject, then we would use have. But since our subject is singular, we need to have the word has, a singular verb. Okay, very good. think we have another sentence. So, what is wrong with this sentence? Let's go ahead and type our answers out into the chat again. I ate popcorn at the beginning of the movie, and I will eat candy at the end of the movie. How can we fix this sentence to make our verbs match each other? Okay, so let's see. Elsa says change will eat to ate. Okay, so let's look at our verbs. I'm going to enable the annotation. So go ahead and circle the verbs that you see in this sentence. Okay. Make sure with our second verb, make sure you're circling the entire verb. All right, so our two verbs are ate and will eat. So we want to make sure that our verbs are friends, that they're in the same tense with each other. So we can do this by changing one of the verbs to match the other one. So I have changed will eat. I've circled that one as incorrect. And we've changed it to ate, same as the previous verb. So our new sentence is, I ate popcorn at the beginning of the movie, and I ate candy at the end of the movie. So that is our correct sentence. Okay. Does anyone have any questions about what we've talked about so far?
No. No.
So when we take our test, everyone's going to get 100%, right?
Yes.
Yes?
I think.
You think so? Okay, I'm going to make sure.
I think so.
Check every test. You all better get 100%. Let's go ahead and we're going to do our quiz together. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.